Hello guys, good day sa inyo. So in this video guys, i-update ko kayo sa promo natin sa Mitsubishi ngayong buwan. So guys, kung bago ka lang sa YouTube channel ko, please do like, subscribe, and share para updated ka sa mga promo natin sa Mitsubishi. Thank you guys!
Mirage Hatchback 2023. Hatchback natin 772,000, discount ng 109. So sa down payment natin, zero down payment, 15,664, 5 years. Mirage G4 2024. Mirage G4 manual, dito may dalawang option tayo, yung zero down payment or yung pay after 3 months. G4 GLX automatic natin, ayan, may zero down payment din, saka may pay after 3 months po siya, subject to bank approval po. G4 GLS top of the line, ayan, zero down payment pa rin, saka may pay after 3 months siya. Option 1, option 2, pwede po. Expander 2023. Expander manual 2023, dalawang option. Option 1, 40,000 down payment under RCBC. Option 2, 60,000 down payment, all banks. Under GLX automatic 2023, option 1, 55,000 down payment. Option 2, 75,000 down payment, 5 years, 22,887. Expander GLS automatic 2023. Option 1, 35,000 down payment. Option 2, 55,000 down payment. Expander Cross automatic 2023. Expander Cross automatic, monotone and two-tone. Yan, di naman nagkakalayo. Ang 5 years nila, 27,148. L300 FB Dual Aircon 2023. So option 1 natin, zero down payment. Option 2, 25,000 down payment and pay after 3 months. Pang business, 17 seaters po. Strada 2023. Strada GLS manual. Option 1, 25,000. Option 2, 49,000 down payment. 26,782, 5 years. Strada GLS automatic. Option 1, 35,000 down payment. Option 2, 55,000 down payment. 5 years, 28,304. So yan yung GLS natin, color white. Strada Athlete 4x2 automatic. Option 1, 75,000 down payment. Option 2, 95,000 down payment. 5 years, 30,353. Montero Sport 2023. Montero Sport manual, zero down payment, 5 years, 31,814. Laki ng discount nito guys, yung Montero manual natin. 284,000. Montero GLS automatic. Option 1, 79,000 down payment. Option 2, 125 down payment. 5 years, 36,441. Montero Sport Black Series automatic. Yan, option 1 natin, 180,000 down payment. Option 2, 215,000 down payment. So ayun guys, yung promo natin this month. Apply na kayo. Ang daming mga naka-zero down payment dito at saka pay after 3 months. Thank you guys. Ingat.